We see this all the time. An organization builds a Power App to solve a problem for one team. It works well, people love it, but over time they realize it's isolated. Data is trapped, processes still rely on manual work, and suddenly the quick win feels more like a workaround. Well, that's where integration comes in. I'm Ryan Gray, CTO at Marra. My background is in software consultancy, where I specialized in web and mobile app development. A few years ago, I became interested in how low-code could accelerate internal business solutions without sacrificing engineering quality. That's what we focus on here at Marra. We don't just build Power Platform solutions, we ensure they scale, integrate, and follow solid engineering principles so they don't become disconnected apps sitting in isolation. So who are Marra? We're Power Platform specialists, helping organizations move beyond quick wins to fully integrated, high-value solutions. But we also have a strong social purpose. We train people without traditional software backgrounds in agile, software development lifecycle principles, and best practices, creating new opportunities for career changers and those without formal degrees. This isn't just about social impact though, it's also about diversity of thought. Bringing in people from different backgrounds helps us and our customers solve problems in new and innovative ways. So that's enough about me and Marra. Let's talk about Power Platform and why integration is the key to unlocking its full potential. Power Platform gives businesses the ability to build solutions quickly, but speed can sometimes come at the cost of long-term strategy. Many organizations start small, solving immediate problems, but without integration, these solutions remain isolated. The real value comes when Power Platform is woven into the organization's wider technology ecosystem. At its core, Power Platform is a low-code, cloud-based platform for building business solutions. Whether that's automating workflows, creating internal applications, analyzing data, or even developing AI-driven interfaces. It consists of several key products, each designed for a specific function. First of all, there's Dataverse, a managed data platform that includes a relational database, business logic, and security. It often sits at the center of integrated solutions, acting as the main data source. Power Apps, used to create internal business applications for mobile and desktop, allowing teams to interact with business data through a custom UI. Power Automate, automating both robotic and digital processes, reducing manual work by integrating with various systems and data sources via connectors. This is where a lot of integration power comes from. Power BI, a business intelligence tool for visualizing data across multiple sources, including Dataverse, M365, and external databases like SQL. Power Pages, a platform for secure external-facing websites that can connect to business data, allowing for customer or partner interaction. And finally, Copilot Agents, the most recent addition, allowing businesses to build AI-driven chat interfaces connected to their data and processes. Each of these tools can be used independently, but the real power of Power Platform comes from how they work together and how they integrate with other business systems. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on today, how organizations move from isolated, quick-win solutions to fully integrated, high-value systems. There are two main categories of Power Platform use that we see in organizations here at Marra. The first is where most organizations start, with small, isolated solutions. These still have value for the teams they serve, solving specific challenges quickly and efficiently. However, they stay small because they do not integrate with the organization's other systems or connect into other teams' workflows. This means they rely on manual workarounds like copying data between tools or manually generating reports, which limits their impact. The second type is where organizations not only understand how to integrate Power Platform with existing systems, but also why it's important. These solutions may start small, but integration increases their value significantly, connecting them into existing workflows and enabling automation across departments. This is where true ROI comes from, not just solving one problem, but removing friction across the business by ensuring systems talk to each other, decisions are made with better data, and processes run more efficiently. This is the natural progression for organizations adopting Power Platform, starting with quick wins, then scaling up, integrating and embedding these solutions into their wider technology landscape. Most business processes don't stand alone. They involve multiple teams, systems, and decision points. Whether it's taking input from a customer, handing over work to another team, presenting data to a stakeholder, or enriching a decision with pre-existing data. When a Power Platform solution isn't integrated, there's usually a hidden gap in the process. The system isn't truly self-contained. It's just shifting the burden onto users. They end up copying data, sending emails, or manually updating other systems to keep things moving. This not only slows everything down, but it also creates errors and inefficiencies. The real opportunity isn't just automation, it's integration. When solutions connect with existing systems, data and actions flow seamlessly across the organization. This removes friction, reduces manual effort, and creates repeatable value at scale. It's the difference between a patchwork of disconnected tools and a truly efficient, intelligent business ecosystem. Our platform is great for quick wins, and our work with EIT Food is a perfect example. They needed an easy way to track project time across their teams, and we built a simple but effective Power App that lets employees log time within the Microsoft ecosystem they were already using. The result was a frictionless solution with no new licensing costs that improved visibility into project effort across EIT. This is exactly how many organizations start their Power Platform journey, by solving an immediate challenge. But then there's a bigger question: what happens next? Right now, this system works well, but the data stays within the app. And that's an opportunity. Could the insights be surfaced in Power BI to help leadership make data-driven decisions? Could project time link to finance systems for more accurate funding reports? Could it sync with HR to support resource planning? These are the kinds of next steps that could move solutions from quick wins to high-value integrated systems. And this is a journey we see across industries, starting small, proving value, and then scaling using integration. EIT Food has a strong foundation, and their next steps will be about unlocking even more value from their data. LabMan, developed by Marra, modernises Northumberland County Council's highways testing laboratory by streamlining scheduling, testing and reporting. But its real impact comes from integration, removing manual steps and ensuring data flows across the organisation. Without integration, standalone solutions create extra work. Users end up manually saving documents, copying data, or handling financial processes outside the system. LabMan avoids this by connecting directly to key systems. First of all, it integrates with SharePoint to automatically store reports and contracts, ensuring compliance without relying on manual uploads. This keeps records structured, auditable, and easy to access when needed. Future plans include supporting financial processes by integrating with their finance system to automate the creation of invoices. This will reduce admin effort, improve consistency, and makes issuing invoices faster. LabMan isn't just another app, it's part of a connected, scalable approach to Power Platform, removing friction across the entire workflow and setting the stage for future efficiencies. So we've covered the differences and some examples of isolated and integrated apps, but if there's one thing to take away, it's this: Power Platform delivers the most value when it's integrated. Quick wins are great. They get teams moving, solve real problems, and prove the potential of Power Platform within your organization. But the real return on investment comes when solutions aren't just solving problems in isolation. They need to be connected, scalable, and part of a bigger strategy. Disconnected solutions create hidden inefficiencies. Every time someone copies data, manually updates a report, or moves between tools, that's time lost, and a sign that something isn't fully integrated. Integration removes friction and allows Power Platform at scale. It's not just about improving individual processes, it's about connecting people, data, and systems so the entire organization moves faster and smarter. So here's something for you to go away and think about. Where do manual workloads still exist in your organization? Are your Power Platform solutions truly integrated, or are they shifting inefficiencies elsewhere? And what's one process you could integrate today to save time and improve efficiency? Power Platform's real strength is in how it connects your business. Let's make sure we're using it to its full potential.